Welcome to Maria's farm. There are the ducks.
What?
There's the duck.
Ah.
And that's a rooster. And I don't know what are those. See? That's a rooster. That was a rooster.
Bird.
No, that's not bird. See? I think they're making an egg. I think they're making an egg. Where are the babies? Aww. You want to fight for eggs?
What?
You want to fight for eggs, I said. Oh! Oh! I found one egg!
Wow.
There, in your boots.
What?
Cat. It's a dash cat.
A basket.
We're gonna find some chicken eggs
Wow.
from the nest.
Wow.
Oh, here. I found some.
Oh, that's a lot of eggs. Hold the basket.
Okay.
But open. I think it's cold. It's
How
cold.
many eggs will we be getting?
A lot. Oh, there's a chicken there.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get some blue flowers. That one.
Okay.
So easy to pick. So when you have a farm, get this and make blue rice. You can do it by your own or do it with a partner. Oh, when you have a basket, another one, put it there. And, okay, we're finished.
And that's all for Maria's farm today.
Yeah. See you soon.